Hello again, this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, coming to you from Village Nursery here in central San Diego. And today we're talking about rosemary. Rosemary comes in 4 different forms. You have your prostrate rosemary, like this Huntington carpet, very low to the ground, gets about 1 foot tall by about 4 foot wide, great for ground covers and slopes. Then you have your mounding rosemary, like this Taylor, which will get about 3 feet tall by about 5 feet wide. Nice for kind of bigger, wider areas. Very, very tough plant. And then one of my favorites is the Tuscan blue or Indian Spires rosemary. This is a much more vertical rosemary. We'll get about 5 feet tall by about 2 feet wide. Really great for screening things like air conditioners and trash can areas. This rosemary is also really great for cooking because you have these nice, straight, long, skinny stems. Really great for doing kebabs on the barbecue. And then finally, you have your dwarf rosemary. This is a new variety here at Village Nursery called Roman Beauty. Gets about 2 feet tall by about 2 feet wide. Much denser foliage than the other kind of rosemary, as you can see in a comparison. The flowers are also a little bit whiter than the standard rosemary blue flowers you see on plants all over the place. One of the great things about rosemary, obviously, is that it's great for cooking, but it's also really great for attracting bees into your garden when you need to really pollinate some fruit trees. Whenever I design a garden with fruit trees, I always put a few rosemary plants in there because I know those bees will help deliver bountiful harvests of fruit. Another great thing about rosemary is that the rabbits really don't like it. Even though it is an edible plant, rosemary is just not very popular with the rabbits. So if you live in a garden or have a garden in a spot that has lots of rabbits, this is one of those great plants for taking care of it. And finally, of course, it is a drought-tolerant plant. So drought-tolerant, easy to cook, easy to grow, and rabbit-resistant. This is rosemary, a great plant for your garden. This is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener. See you next time.